Hello student, this is lecture 34 based on 4th unit for the subject VLSI design. And in this lecture we are going to discuss about this flash memory. Okay. So, what is flash memory? We will discuss some points related to this flash memory. So, starting with the flash memory. Okay. So, whenever we talk about this flash memory, okay. So, this flash memory is a non volatile memory. Okay, we already discussed this volatile and non volatile memory. Okay. So, this flash memory is a non volatile memory used for storage and for transferring data between a personal computer that is PC and digital devices. Okay, where we can use this. Okay. So, whenever we talk about the more important thing about this flash memory, okay, it has the ability to be electronically reprogrammed and erased. So, this is the main important thing regarding this flash memory. Okay, we can electronically reprogram this and erase this. Okay. So, if I talk about where you found this flash memory, so you can find out this flash memory in USB flash drives. You can also find out in this MP3 player. Also find out in digital cameras. And also find out in solid state drives. Okay. So, here you can find out this flash drive. So, basically which I told you that this is electronically programmable, okay, reprogrammable. Okay. So, there is term is come electronically erasable programmable read only memory. Okay, means EEPROM. Okay. So, that is the example of the your flash memory. Okay. So, in this EEPROM basically is a type of data memory device using an electronic device to erase or write the digital data. Okay. So, we can erase or write the your digital data electronically. Okay. So, this if I talk about this, how this data is erasable, okay, how this data is going to erase or write. Okay. So, for this what we use, I am just going to at the this is at the fabrication level. Okay. Okay. So, we are going to design this val region. Okay. So, this is N val, this is P val, this is N plus region, P plus region, N plus region, N plus region, and here we have designed this floating gate. Okay. So, this is a floating gate. Okay. So, let us see, this is poly 1, this is poly 2, polysilicon. Okay. Floating here, these two are connected and this is connected with ground. Okay. This is, these are your val contact. Okay. These two are your val contact. Okay. So, here this is connected with high potential. Okay. So, that generating the some electric field over here. Okay. So, you can see over here that I am going to design this. Let us see, these are the some particles are available over here. Okay. And these are the some available from here. Now, what happened if I talk about this, this layer is very thin. Okay. And this is around the 100 angstrom. Okay. So, you can see, okay, thickness, okay, oxide thickness is very low. So, when you apply this high voltage over here, these holes part, these electrons, these penetrate in this polysilicon. Okay. So, you can see over here there are some electrons are available. So, they can easily penetrate because, okay, here I have not drawn the your substrate part. Okay. So, obviously, this is your P substrate. Okay. So, what happened when you apply some electrical voltage over here, high electrical voltage over here. So, these electrons penetrate into this poly because of this high electric field over here, and also a thin layer of oxide layer is also available. So, they can easily penetrate through this into this poly. Okay. Now, this process is known as the or this step, how this so basically what we are, this is like we are penetrating these electrons in this polysilicon, okay, and suppose you want to reverse this, okay. So for reversing this, what you have to do, you have to connect the here high voltage and this should be ground. So what will happen, this the reverse process will follow, means these electrons will move out from this polysilicon and comes to the p well region, okay. So in this manner you are going to erase, okay, electrically erase the data from your memory, okay. This is a simple step, okay, simple process how this data or this going to erase or write in the memory, okay. So this is the basic concept about this flash memory, clear. So flash memory, if I talk about the flash memory incorporates the use of the floating gate, which I told you, okay, to store the data, and these floating gate transistor or floating gate MOSFET, so also called FG-MOS, okay, floating gate MOSFET, okay, is similar to the MOSFET, which is a transistor used for amplifying or switching electronic signal, okay. So floating gate basically transistor are electrically isolated and use a floating node in direct current DC, okay. So this flash memory is similar to the standard MOSFET, except the transistor has 2 gate instead of 1, okay. So this is a small introduction about the flash memory, okay. So thank you students.